Hello, good morning. It's August 2025 and the early migratory birds from thousands of kilometers away may have arrived. Today we are at Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve to get a first glimpse of the 2025 migratory season and see which birds have made it here before the rest. Oh, it's crow versus kite. They've been at it the whole morning. As usual, standing from the bridge at the entrance to the migratory bird trail, I see our regulars. We have the milky stock there. There's a grey heron.
So while I was focused on the grey heron, I totally missed the two black-crowned night herons that were in the right edge of the video. I guess I wasn't warmed up enough that morning.
Looks like there's quite a bit of activity today. I see the little egrets. The Asian open-bill stock. Oh, that's a Brahmini kite. Oh, is it a juvenile? I cannot make out what is it. Looks like a juvenile Brahmini kite. This may be the intermediate egret. Or it's a great egret. The black long legs, black feet, with a hooked neck. Oh, it's a Whimbrel. Of course, you have the usual pesky crows. Okay, let's get a move on. Yeah, that's the very distinctive collared kingfisher. Let's check out the main height. I think the Asian open-bills have kind of made this their home already. Since the last migratory season, they haven't quite left, I don't think. Oh wait, incoming! Striped heron. Holy! Oh, it's crow versus kite. They've been at it the whole morning. The float just went that way. Yeah. These are the common Redshanks, alright. Hopefully we'll see some Greenshanks later. Nice! Greenshank here. Well, it is now 8:45. Should probably head out. Maybe go back to the main height where there's a bit more activity. Oh, incoming! Wow, got lucky there. It's gone. Ooh. Okay, let's finish up my coffee and then we can start moving again. It's getting quiet here. This is a fruiting tree, and then there's quite a number of swinhole white eyes. Some sunbirds around. Looks like an ornate sunbird. Oh, woodpecker. Where is it? I think it's the rufous woodpecker. Oh, stock-billed kingfisher. Dive! Dive, dive, dive! Oh, there's a little... this boardwalk here. Bee-eater. We've reached the tower. Are those some stalks on the top of the tree? There's a milky stalk with an Asian openbill. Just casually roosting there. Oh, what's that? Is that a great-billed heron? Okay, and this has been our first glimpse of the 2025 migration season here at the Sungei Buloh Wetlands Reserve. We've seen the common redshank, but really this is just the beginning. As the weeks and the months unfold, I'm excited to see what other species I can find.
So if you want to see my search for another kingfisher that can rival the brilliant plumage of this one that I saw this day at the reserve, you may want to check out the next video. With that, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.